Oh, dude, your wife is going to be pissed, man. You're going to smell like crap when you get home. Yep. Dresden makes me take a shower before I can even look at her.
Serious?
Yeah.
Come on, come on.
Alright, Jeremy's hooked up. Let's go see what he's got. Where's he at? To the left or right of you? Right ahead. Yeah, that's a big old drum, man. Is it?
You on me?
Huh?
You anchored?
No.
You going to?
Nope. Nope.
Huh?
Yeah, don't rough them up too much.
Let them out a little bit.
Yeah, try to get away from them. My bad. Can we grab him for you? Yeah. Swing him around. Hold on. Huh? Alright, hang on, man. I don't want to leave them out too long. Yeah, I'm coming at you, man. You are a freaking mess, man. Huh? Coming, man. Got the front of my boat.
Holy shit!
Thank you, man.
What's up, man?
You alright, man?
Ow!
Get you in the nuts. Alright, yeah, hold them up. And we gotta get them back in the water so we don't die.
Grab a bunch of gills.
No, hold them on your lap like this.
What? Ow. I can't grab this one.
Turn your headlight off. There we go. Good job, man.
Bring back here?
Yeah. Good job, man.
Oh man, thank you. That's fucking awesome, bro.
There we go.
I gotta figure out how to get my.
Be careful, man. Oh, I could have my light brighter. We'll try and edit it a little bit and brighten it up. Alright, there we go. Came out with my buddy Jeremy, do some black drum fishing, and he hooked up with his first one, and I'll tell you what, that was an impressive fish for your first black drum. So good job, Jeremy.